ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI, based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. It has been trained on a massive amount of text data from the Internet to understand and generate human-like responses. ChatGPT is capable of answering a wide range of questions, and can hold conversations on a variety of subjects. ChatGPT can generate text in multiple languages. Its multilingual capabilities make it a versatile tool for communicating with people from different parts of the world. ChatGPT is not a real person, but an AI-powered chatbot that uses natural language processing algorithms to generate responses. It does not have emotions, opinions, or biases, but it can provide factual information and helpful insights. ChatGPT has various applications in fields such as customer service, education, healthcare, and business,